Alright, good morning guys. We're here at Bostwick, is that right?
Yep.
Bostwick. We're the only ones here, so we got a whole track to ourselves. It'll help me work with Brandon and as well as maybe get some footage for you guys to throw in here in this next clip. I'm gearing up right now so we can go out and start riding before the rains come. They said it was supposed to rain today, so... Alright, what?
You gonna walk the track in your gear?
No, I'm gonna ride the track in my gear.
Oh.
Beefy, you ready to go ride? Look at how hot it is.
It said 85.
It says 99.
Oh no. Beefy needs it.
And we are leaving Bostwick, Florida. We're on the road to the beach again. Damien Plots. Huh? Beefy. You wanna go back to the beach? You wanna go to the beach? And we're off to see the wizard, the wonderful wizard. Well,
Ain't no wizard around here, boy.
alright, we're off to see the ocean. And I think Beefy is asleep.
Ah!
Oh, it didn't work. You're not very good.
Why are you doing?
You want to be on the vlog?
Yeah, I
We're
want
making you look dumb because you're sitting here talking smack.
You're the dumb one.
Did you just fix your hair?
No. No, I didn't do that.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Beef. Did you have fun in the ocean today? You want to go back? You want to go surfing? Let's take Beefy surfing. I'm doing the vlog.
Oh, he's doing the vlog? Is it vlog? We just had some...
We just drove up to Jacksonville, Florida. We ate at... what was the
Mellow
place?
something
Mellow Mushroom Pizza.
Yeah, really good
And-
pizza.
Yeah, now we're heading to the Marriott. And
Yeah,
Beefy
party
is-
at the Marriott.
Beefy's freaking out.
And he's gonna get snuck into the Marriott.
At the party at the Marriott, right, Beef?
Yeah, Beefy!
Well, we just ate dinner. Pretty nice pizza place. We are now at this Marriott hotel. Apparently, it's like a big PGA golf club type place.
Yeah, we probably shouldn't be here.
Like it's huge, and they've got their own surf machine. They've got a bunch of pools around here and big ponds, and the scenery is pretty cool. But
After party at the Marriott.
now the trick is, this place is like on the scale of 1 to fancy. It's like fancy smanchy, and
We're gonna sneak a dog in here.
our goal is to sneak Beefy in. So we're on the hunt right now, scoping the place out and
See what?
trying to find the best entrance without going in front of
The hotel.
the hotel lobby.
Which we already snuck through the kitchen through this thing.
Yeah, we went down some steps and we found out that you could easily get access to the kitchen, and there's 2 levels
Of kitchen.
of kitchen to show you how big this place is.
Might be able to show you guys after we get Beefy snuck in here.
So yeah, we're going out to the van now to get Beefy, probably stick him into a backpack and carry him around the entire resort, sneak him up through the kitchen and through a bunch of staircases to get him up into the room for the night. And we'll check back in here in a minute and let you know if we got caught or if it was a success. But this place is huge, so
You could be seeing us get chased by security guards in the next 5 minutes.
yeah, if we get chased or shot at, then I'll turn the camera back on.
Because
and-
it's gonna be fun.
yeah. So we'll let you guys know how it goes. Stop moving.
We have a dog in the Marriott.
Stop, baby. Success. We got Beefy in this really nice hotel. Service dog, right? I'll leave you guys at that. We're getting up in the morning and I think we're going back to Pax Track, so we'll send you another video tomorrow.